Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add file upload fields in Jotform in 2026. If you want users to upload documents, images, or any files through your form, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Jotform account. Next, open the form where you want to add the file upload option from your dashboard. Now click on the form builder to enter the editing interface. Next, go to the Form Elements panel on the left side. Now search for File Upload and drag it into your form. Next, place the File Upload field where you want it in the form layout. Now click on the File Upload field to customize its settings. Next, set the allowed file types such as images, PDFs, documents, or videos depending on your needs. Now adjust the file size limit so users know how large their uploads can be. Next, mark the field as required if you want to make file submission mandatory. Finally, preview your form and test the upload feature to make sure everything works correctly before publishing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add file upload fields in Jotform. Your form can now collect files from users easily and securely. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.